In Google Calendar, I can also set up a meeting. Let's say I'm the president of a particular club. In this case, let's say I'm, quote, president of the Play Cast because I have most experience and my peers have voted me to be president, so therefore I'm kind of in charge of keeping things organized. If I wanted to set up a particular meeting, let's say a pre-practice type of meeting, if I come up to create, it'll allow me to create an event. We'll say cast meeting. And this might occur Friday. And notice when I change the date over here, it automatically changes the date over here, saying that the event is going to take place on the same day, and that it's going to be from 1:30 to 2:30. Once again, I can set up all the other details, location. This particular calendar, I want to switch over to Play Practices calendar. But this is the feature that I would like to draw your attention to the most. Over here, if I enter email address, let's say if I wanted to enter a particular email address, I'm inviting guests to this particular meeting. And what it'll do is it'll actually invite those people. It'll send them an email inviting them to the meeting. And then what they will have to do within the meeting settings is actually say, are you going to be there or are you not going to be there? And then when inside that email, they can specify, yes, I'm going to be there, or no, I won't be. So the person who's holding the meeting can have an idea of who will actually be there and who won't, and then maybe meet up with them later. But the guests that are coming into this meeting can have a few other options as well. The guests can actually invite others, or they can actually modify the event. That means they can modify any of these details. Maybe they want to change the location and so forth. And the guests can also see who else is going to be there. So depending on what you want the guests to be able to do, depends on which checkboxes you actually mark over here. Once I've specified all of this and I have all the details ready to go, if I click Save, would you like to send invitations to guests? Yes, I want to send those invitations through email to those guests. And so it'll actually, if you notice, add the event to Friday, and all those invitations have been sent out to everybody that I've invited through email, and I'll be able to see who's actually going to be able to be there or not.